Japji Sahib was written in a language called Gurmukhi. Gurmukhi literally means the mouth of the Guru. Gurmukhi is a language developed by the Sikh Gurus to express their experience of God consciousness. It's composed largely of Sanskrit, but also some Persian and other local languages. Gurmukhi is a simple language. It has a relatively small alphabet, and it's phonetic. So for each letter or combination of letters, there's one exact way to pronounce it. So once you've learned the Gurmukhi alphabet, you know how to read Gurmukhi. And I do recommend learning it because it will give you a more direct experience of the Guru. But for those who are not ready to learn Gurmukhi, there are transliterations. A transliteration uses the letters, the alphabet of a familiar language, in our case English, to represent the sounds of a foreign language, Gurmukhi. And fortunately for us, a lot of the sounds in Gurmukhi are directly represented in English. It's a one-to-one correspondence. For example, if you're reading a transliteration and you come across the letter L, it's going to make the sound la. If you come across the letter M, it's going to make the sound m. But there are two large groups of exceptions to this one-to-one correspondence between Gurmukhi and English. One group of exceptions is the consonants. There are a number of consonants sounds in Gurmukhi that don't exist in English. So whoever is making the transliteration has to decide what letters to use to represent those sounds that don't exist in English. That's one group of exceptions. And the other is the vowel sounds. And here the problem is on the English side. In English, the vowel letters can have very different sounds, a range of different sounds. For example, think of the letter A in the sentence, "A father hates hats." That one letter A has the sound a, a. So if you're reading along in a transliteration, you come across the letter A, how do you know which sound it's representing? So there are lots of transliterations out there, and each one has made decisions about which letters to represent which sounds. So take any transliteration, just be sure you know their key, which letters they're using to make which sounds.